Hello everyone and welcome to the session of Core Java. In this session, we are going to discuss about how to install Java on our systems. To develop Java applications on our system, we need two installations. One is installation of Java or JDK we can say, and installation of Eclipse. Eclipse is the IDE where you can develop, execute, debug Java applications. So that installation also we are going to look at. There are many more IDEs available for Java application development. However, in this particular course, we are going to make use of Eclipse IDE for Java application development. So the first step which we are going to take over here is installing Java on our system. The version of Java which we are going to use is Java 8. So what steps you need to follow is all these downloads are available on Oracle website. So you need to visit Oracle website, go to Java SE downloads, and there you will be looking for Java 8 download available. Once you find that, there will be installers available. Now here, for every operating system, its compatible installer is available. So depending on what type of operating system you are using, whether it is Windows or Linux or Unix or Mac, its corresponding compatible installer you will have to download, and then you need to follow the instructions which will be given while installing JDK on your system. So once you will visit this Oracle page, this is what you are going to see. So this is Java SE downloads. There you can search where Java 8 download is available. So this is Java 8 download, the latest one. Click on this JDK download. Then you will be able to see this particular page. And from here, you can see that there are various installers available, which namely you can see this is for Linux, 64-bit, 32-bit, Mac, Solaris, and Windows. Now, depending on which Windows operating system you are using, you can download that corresponding exe. So I have downloaded this Windows 64 exe on my system. So this is what I will download from that particular website. So I have downloaded exe for Windows 64. Once you download that exe, you will have to execute that exe. So these are the screenshots which you will be able to see, right? So this is the first window which you will see. Click on next. Then it will specify what installation you want. So here we want Java SE Development Kit 8. Now right now the update was 251, the latest one. So whenever you are visiting that website, you can see that what is the latest update and you can download that. Now in development tools, so I'm selecting these development tools, and here you can see that there is some path which is specified that where this JDK will be installed. So on C drive in program files, Java folder will be created, and in that one more folder will be created which will be JDK 1.8.0 underscore 251. This is what is going to happen whenever this particular step will be taken. So click on next. So installation will begin. Now along with JDK, one more environment gets downloaded, which is JRE. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment, which is responsible for execution of the code. So this will be the path for or the location where JRE will be installed. So whenever you are installing JDK, along with that, JRE also gets installed. Now these are the default paths which are provided by the system. If you want, you can modify that particular path and store these files into some other folder. Then click on next. So installation will continue. This is for JRE, and on the completion of Java installation, you will be able to see this particular pop-up. So here we have done with the JDK installation. Now the next step is to install Eclipse. Now remember that whenever we are installing Eclipse, installation of JDK is must, which will be prior to Eclipse installation. So please follow these steps after you install JDK on your system. Now this is the link which you will be visiting for downloading Eclipse. Once you visit this link, select the option as Eclipse IDE for Java developers and which is compatible with Windows 64-bit. Now again, this Eclipse which you need to download, that must be compatible with your operating system. So a zip file or depending on what sort of file gets downloaded from that particular website, depending on operating system specification, you need to take further steps. So whenever I'm downloading this on Windows operating system, a zip folder will be downloaded. Then I simply need to unzip the folder and there is eclipse.exe which I will be executing. So once you visit this website, you will get all possible or available downloads available, right? So we are going to download anything above Eclipse 4.6, which is Neon. The reason why we need to download this is right from Neon, further versions of Eclipse do support Java 8. Earlier versions, as you can see over here, these versions does not support Java 8. They support Java 7 till Mars, and Neon onwards, there is a support provided for Java 8. So depending on this, we are going to download. So what I'm going to use is Oxygen version in this particular series. So you can download this Oxygen Eclipse. A zip file will be downloaded and then you will be able to just unzip that particular file. Once you download this file, this zip folder which I got, this was the zip folder. I have unzipped that folder. In that Eclipse folder is there. And here you can see along with other folder structure, there is eclipse.exe. So you can simply create a shortcut and place it on the desktop. So in this session, we saw how to install Java and Eclipse on our system so that we are now ready for further Java application development. Thank you.